This channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to install a plugin in SketchUp. So we are not going to start from here. Just go to the site of SketchUp extension warehouse, which is right over here. So today we are going to see how to install any extension. So for that I've taken for a sample Open Studio SketchUp plugin, which is right over here. So what you have to do is just search about whatever extension that you want, and just go to that. And here you will see that the price is displayed for this. It is free, and all the compatibility compatibility is shown over here. So just press on download. I have already downloaded for this video to not get any longer. After the extension is downloaded, just go to SketchUp, which is right over here. As you can see, many I have installed many plugins. After that, you have to go to the window tab and extension manager. Here you will see is that there is a tab of install extension. Just press on it, go to your downloads, and double click on your plugin that you have downloaded from the warehouse, and just wait for a few minutes as it gets. Here it is asking for the path. Just go to your files, downloads, press on it, copy path, just select as copy as path, go to this and copy paste, and then press OK. File does not exist. OK, we'll do it again. Double click on it. So just after copying the part, just have to wait for a few seconds, and your Open Studio box right over here will be shown. You just have to enable it and do apply changes. Close this box. Now you can see the plugin that you have made right over here. So on the blank space over here, you have to right click on it and search for your plugin which you downloaded, which is the open space. Just over here, Trumbull Connect. And for example, if we take Inkscape, we just have to do it right over here and it will show. So that's it. That's how you have to install any plugin in your SketchUp. Thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.